Hey everybody, so welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about TIALLY inflatable pool moon lights. So right in the box, it comes with a pack of 2 of these moons. So we have 2 of them right here. It comes with the vinyl repair kit and it tells you the instructions on how to repair it. Also comes with a little thank you note, which is great. And then it also tells you how to turn on these moons once we blow them up. So it says hold the button from the base of the ball for 3 seconds to turn it on. So let's go ahead and inflate these and see how they look in the pool. All right, so before we put them in the pools, this is how they look blown up. You can see the craters on the moon, which is pretty cool. So it comes with both of them with craters on the ball. And then before we do that, these balls are solar charging, no needed for batteries or weighted bases so that they're not gonna be able to fly away in the wind. They have pretty solid and activates all automatically at night. It just needs some solar and easily inflatable. As you can see, it took me literally 5 seconds. And let's go ahead and put it in. All right guys, so this is them in the pool. So one of them is yellow and the other one is like a brighter LED light. So basically we can change them into this yellow or the brighter color. So what we have to do basically is just press the button underneath and then it turns into that yellow color. And then these 2 have been in the sun all day, so they'll go ahead and once the solar power is out, and they'll recharge in the sun. Check them out.